Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Guess what? Our Black Friday sale haul from WhatsUpNails just arrived. My friends and I placed an order at WhatsUpNails on their Black Friday sale last November, and we received our orders on December 16, 2020. We didn't expect to receive them before Christmas. We were expecting to receive them on January 2021, and we are very grateful to receive them this early. Special thanks to Anna for arranging everything. Okay, so here are the products that I've bought. We have a WhatsUpNails stamping plate, and it's B047 Everyday is Catterday. Their stamping plate sleeve is so pretty, plus it's holographic. And it's still holographic at the back of the sleeve. Here you can see the instructions on how to use it, and their social media handles can be seen on the bottom right corner. I'm loving that you can see its design in front of it. And the stamping plate name is located at the bottom right corner. Aren't these kitties cute and adorable? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this one. Now let's move on to the second stamping plate, which is from the brand Maniology. And now you can see its super fun and colorful stamping plate sleeve. And here's the design on the back of it. And here's the stamping plate. It's Maniology M152. I'm also excited to use this one because it's a Harry Potter themed stamping plate. And the plastic board attached to it is in the shade of blue-green, and its brand is printed on the back of it. Then I have another Maniology stamping plate. This one is in collaboration with Hanny's Manny on Instagram. These gummy bears and unicorns are surely adorable. And for the last item in this haul, it's a Moyo London stamping plate. Look at that gorgeous stamping plate sleeve. It's Moyo London's Animal Collection 19 stamping plate. And it's all about llamas and alpacas. And as you can see, the design on the back is also the same with the design of the stamping plate sleeve. These four are probably the most expensive stamping plates that I currently have, and I'm so happy that we got it at WhatsUpNails' Black Friday sale. I will be reviewing these stamping plates soon, and I will surely post a video here on my channel for individual stamping plate reviews. Which stamping plate should I review first? Let me know on the comment section. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe, happy holidays, bye!